In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Jungo Mortgage CRM tutorial. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how Jungo Mortgage CRM works, its key features and its benefits, and of course the pricing. So let's get started. So first, Jungo Mortgage CRM is a specialized customer relationship management platform designed specifically for mortgage professionals. Built on Salesforce, it provides a powerful solution for managing every aspect of the mortgage process, from lead generation to loan closing. Jungo helps mortgage brokers, loan officers, and lenders streamline their workflows, automate tasks, manage client relationships, and ultimately improve efficiency and productivity. By centralizing all client data, automating repetitive tasks, and providing real time insights, Jungo enables mortgage professionals to focus on what matters most: closing loans and building strong client relationships. Its intuitive interface, industry specific tools, and deep integration with Salesforce make it an essential tool for modern mortgage teams looking to scale their operations. So the key features and benefits of Jungo Mortgage CRM is first, it's lead management. You can organize, track, and nurture leads effectively, and ensures efficient follow-ups and maximizes conversion rates by automating lead tracking and communication. Next is loan pipeline tracking. So you can monitor the status of loans at every stage and helps you stay organized and informed about loan progress, reducing errors and delays. Next is contact management. So it store and manage client information, including interactions and notes. Enhances client relationships with quick access to detailed profiles and communication history. Next is automations. So automate tasks like email follow-ups, reminders, and status app updates. It saves time, reduces manual tasks, and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Next is customizable reports and dashboards. So you can generate real-time reports on sales, leads, and loan performance. It provides actionable insights, helping you make data-driven decisions and optimize operations. Next is integration with Salesforce. So built on Salesforce robust platform, uh, leverages Salesforce advanced CRM capabilities, offering seamless integrations and enhanced data security. Next is task and activity tracking. So track daily tasks and activities within the platform, keeps you organized and improves time management, ensuring deadlines are met. Next is email and calendar sync. So integrate with tools like Outlook and Gmail to sync email and calendar. And it streamlines communication, keeping all interactions in one place for easy access and management. So that's basically the features and key benefits of Junko Mortgage CRM. So now let's move on to the website. So as you can see right here, it is your all-in-one mortgage and real estate CRM tech stack. So you can manage your mortgage leads, such as what I said. So they have marketing right here, co-marketing, compliance, and of course the CRM. So for CRM solutions, they have the mortgage CRM and real estate CRM. And of course, out of topic, they also have the Jungo SMS texting. So as you can see right here, why Jungo? I have already said all of this key features and benefits. They have this reports and dashboard. They have this set it and forget it email marketing and lead management, LOS system integration, automated partner updates, and post close marketing. As you can see, they have also integrated with some other financial services such as this Encompass, Calyx, Lending Pad, Fight Software, Salesforce, and Mortgage Coach. And again, they have more integrations. And from here, you will see a bunch of different reviews for those people who have used the Jungo CRM. Uh, Now, from here in the top section, we have the products right here, such as the mortgage CRM and real estate CRM. They have the features right here for mortgage CRM. It has automations, loan document management, dashboards, listings, mobile app. They also have features for marketing solutions, add-ons, and upgrade. And now, of course, you'll see all of these apps. So these are all of the apps that are integrated with Jungo and resources right here. So you will see the about right here. You can click on about Jungo. We also have referral program. So if you want to ask Jungo specific things, you can simply click on contact us to email them all your needs. So if you're still quite confused on the mortgage marketing, they have a mortgage marketing guide right here. And as you can see for this guide, it has this chapter one, what is mortgage marketing? So this is the ultimate guide for loan officers and mortgage brokers. Of course, you can download the LO guide right here. You'll also see contents right here for chapter one, chapter two, three, four, and five. So you can simply read these articles right here or simply download it to have the mortgage marketing guide. So let's just go back to the main website. So to avail the products, just go to products and select mortgage CRM. And as you can see right here, this is the overview of the mortgage CRM of Jungo. These are the features you will see: lead management, marketing, and automation, why you need a mortgage CRM, and you can explore all of these features by logging in. So simply sign up for an account, explore the features, and you're good to go. So it's just easy. If you want to try the free demo first, you can click on free demo right here in the top and sign up for an account. So if you're already interested, simply create an account and start with Jungo. So that's basically all of the benefits and features of Jungo Mortgage CRM. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.